2025 is right around the corner, and if you're not already planning where to invest for the future, you might be missing out on massive opportunities. Opportunities that could transform your financial future. So, where should you be investing in 2025 to maximize your returns and secure your financial future? Well, hold on tight because in today's video, I'm going to reveal some shocking investment opportunities that are poised to explode in the next year. And trust me, these aren't just the typical suggestions you hear every year. Whether you're looking for the next big stock, the hottest real estate market, or a cutting-edge technology to invest in, this video is going to be your roadmap to smarter, more profitable investment choices. From traditional markets to the new wave of digital assets, 2025 could be your year to level up your portfolio. Let's dive right into the best places to put your money in the upcoming year. If there's one thing you need to know about 2025, it's that artificial intelligence is taking over. And not just in tech, but in almost every industry imaginable. We're talking about AI-driven stocks, machine learning advancements, robotics, and automation. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on the AI revolution. This isn't just a buzzword. AI is already transforming healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and even education. Companies that are leading the charge in AI are set to see explosive growth, and this is where you need to focus your investments. For example, NVIDIA has become one of the leaders in AI technology, providing the chips that power AI advancements worldwide. In fact, NVIDIA's stock price has surged by over 300% in the past 5 years, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. By 2025, AI applications are expected to grow by over 50%, so investing in AI-focused companies now could potentially double your returns in just a few years. And it's not just the established giants like NVIDIA. Up-and-coming companies focused on AI, robotics, and automation are making waves. For instance, C3.ai and UiPath are already changing the landscape of enterprise AI, so if you're looking to make serious returns in 2025, AI is a sector you cannot afford to ignore. Next, let's talk about real estate, but not just any real estate. While big cities are great, the real opportunity in 2025 is in emerging markets. With more people working remotely, people are flocking to smaller cities and regions with lower living costs, better quality of life, and emerging infrastructure. In fact, a recent study shows that property prices in secondary markets like Austin, Phoenix, and Raleigh-Durham are projected to grow by over 10 to 15% per year in the next 5 years. For example, cities like Boise, Idaho, and Durham, North Carolina have seen an explosion in property demand as people move away from high-cost urban areas. What's driving this shift? Lower home prices, better job opportunities in tech and healthcare, and an overall higher quality of life. If you can invest in real estate in these fast-growing markets, not only will you see home values appreciate, but rental income could also provide a steady cash flow as demand for housing increases. But here's the trick. You don't have to buy a property outright. You can also consider real estate investment trusts, REITs, focused on emerging markets, which allow you to invest in real estate without the heavy upfront costs of purchasing physical properties. Look for REITs that focus on growth areas. These can offer great diversification and high returns. Green and sustainable investments, ESG. Now, let's talk about a sector that's not only good for the planet, but also potentially lucrative green and sustainable investments. If there's one investment trend that's here to stay, it's ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing. As governments and companies around the world double down on sustainability, industries like renewable energy, electric vehicles, and green technology are seeing exponential growth. One company that's leading the way in green energy is NextEra Energy, which is the world's largest producer of wind and solar energy. Their stock has already grown by more than 400% over the past decade, and analysts predict that demand for renewable energy will continue to grow. With a global push to reduce carbon emissions, the green energy sector is set to explode in the next few years, and 2025 is the perfect time to get in. Another great area to focus on is electric vehicles, EVs. Companies like Tesla have revolutionized the auto industry, but there are plenty of smaller EV companies and startups that are showing immense promise. Investing in companies like Rivian or Lucid Motors, while riskier, could yield huge returns as electric vehicles continue to dominate the market. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, cryptocurrencies and blockchain. Yes, I know, cryptos can be volatile, but 2025 is expected to be a year of maturity for digital assets. With more governments and financial institutions embracing blockchain technology, it's clear that crypto is here to stay. The real money will be in cryptocurrencies that offer real-world utility and solve major problems. For example, Ethereum has cemented itself as the go-to blockchain for decentralized finance, DeFi, and smart contracts. As Ethereum continues to upgrade its network and scalability with the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, its value is expected to increase significantly. Bitcoin, the grandfather of crypto, is also poised for strong growth as more institutional investors pile in. And don't forget about the rise of altcoins like Solana or Polkadot, which are carving out their own niches in the blockchain space. But remember, crypto is still risky, so always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That said, 2025 could be a year for mass adoption of blockchain technologies, which could push the value of leading digital assets to new heights. Bonds and fixed income assets for stability. Now let's look at something more stable for your portfolio: bonds and fixed income assets. While they won't deliver the same explosive returns as stocks or crypto, bonds offer a level of stability and predictability which is perfect if you're looking to balance out a more aggressive investment strategy. With rising interest rates, certain types of bonds are becoming more attractive in 2025, especially corporate bonds and municipal bonds. With interest rates rising, bonds that offer higher yields are becoming more attractive. For instance, municipal bonds offer tax advantages and are considered lower risk, while corporate bonds can provide higher yields but come with more risk. As the economy stabilizes in 2025, you'll see bond yields increase, making this a prime time to build a fixed income portfolio to offset the volatility of stocks and crypto. Adding bonds to your investment mix can provide consistent income and lower volatility, giving you a balanced, diversified portfolio that's well positioned for 2025. So there you have it. Whether you're eyeing AI, green energy, real estate, or crypto, 2025 is going to be a huge year for investors. The key is to do your research, stay diversified, and take advantage of the emerging trends before they explode. Remember, the best time to invest is now. Start early and let your money work for you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you're planning to invest in 2025. I'll see you in the next one.